I feel so shy for making video in public place. You can see the Bharat Mandapam behind me. I can't focus because of I am shooting this video in portrait mode and HDR mode. You can see I am on the main road. I am just going to I was in Lakshmi Nagar office from today, and I was going through this road, and I stopped here. But you know I was came from the side of Supreme Court, but I didn't stop there because I feel so shy to make videos over there. But I think why I should not make video here, because of every people are doing their job. So why I should not make the blog type of video in which I will usually speak in English, because of I want to speak in English. This is why. And you can see the Bharat Mandapam. I will show you from the rear camera, and you can see the scene of Bharat Mandapam. This is the Bharat Mandapam. There is another gate of Bharat Mandapam. I don't know, I can't go inside or not. It is permissible to go inside for public or not, because of I don't even see any normal person inside the Bharat Mandapam. So I just stop here to make this kind of video. I'm just going to my room, and after you know reach to my room, I will continue to this video for English speaking. Bye. I forgot to tell you something, because of I am at the Bharat Mandapam. You can see the building, because I came here, and I forgot to share with you. I am opposite side of the Bharat Mandapam. Bharat Mandapam is this side, and opposite side of Bharat Mandapam is the Patiala House Court, and this is the main road of Patiala House Court. Through this road you can go to the Patiala House Court, and this is the Bharat Mandapam. And now through this road you can go to the Patiala House Court, and now this is the main road, you can see. And now I am making this video I am at the Bharat Mandapam, not at the Bharat Mandapam, but at the side of the road, which is I am at outside the Bharat Mandapam. And for few steps forward there is High Court and a zoo. I will show you after reaching there, and I will make you aware from there, and you can see the vehicles. And I am not feeling shy because of I don't know why, but when I think I should make video, whatever may be, whatever happen maybe, I can easily make video. But when I feel so lazy and I feel so shy sometimes, and I couldn't make this kind of video, because I am making this video as a vlog type. So I will continue this vlog at the zoo or High Court, because of I am just about to reach, and this side will be the zoo. I will go to forward, and I am heading to the zoo right now, and the zoo will be left side of me, and the High Court will be the right side of me. As I say, this is a Bharat Mandapam, and this side is opposite road is for if you want to go to the Patiala House Court. As the same thing, if I go to the zoo, and opposite side of the zoo there is a High Court. I will show you. I have just reached at my room, and now you can see I just put off my clothes, and I am in my comfortable clothes, and this is usually I wear when I go to sleep. But now I want to share with you one thing. You know what? Why I didn't make video, or I can say blog at the Jew or High Court? Because of, when I riding my scooty, and when it times to stop my scooty at the Jew, there was a call of my friend. So I pick up the phone, and he was talking to me. This is why I thought ki let's I will make video next time. Let's go to the home by talking on the call. And I just put the earbuds in my ear, and I was riding my scooty by whole whole journey, I can say. No, this was not my journey. How can I say कि I was on phone with my friend while I was coming to my room? How can I say in just I said this is how I can say. And this is the actual reason why I am pushing my mind to train ke I want to find alternate to say anything in English. If I forgot something, if I feel stuck in any sentence, in any story, I should I find alternate to say it in English. Even I think in English, but I want to try to speak in English. Okay, so let's start from the tomorrow. I went to the Talokpuri in the morning, and then I go to the Gazipur, and then I go Mandavli, and then I go to the Lakshmi Nagar office. You know what? Why I visited so many places? Because of there was a meeting with my clients. So I personally go to meet my clients to get some payment in favor of the you know company. Because of I am a corporate lawyer, this is my duty to get payment for my company. This is my duty. Then I go to the branch, and I can say the office of Lakshmi Nagar. And after that, I around at 5:30 p.m. I left from the Lakshmi Nagar office. Then I for heading to my room, and I was coming towards the Supreme Court and Bharat Mandapam, and in front of the Bharat Mandapam there is a Patiala House Court, and then I head around 500 meters. There is a zoo, and in front of the zoo, in front of opposite side of the road of the zoo is High Court, and I coming from there. And I just now I am at my room, and I am just making this video so that I can remember what I did today. And this is the reason, because I feel on what topic should I make videos on daily. This is the topic, you all have this topic. Because of this is such a topic we all have, but we all have in a different base. Because of you did something different, and I did something different, and I will do tomorrow something different, and you will do. Because of your profession is different, and my profession is different. I think you I am not a student, but it might be possible you are a student. And if you are a student, you will have to go to the school, and I will have to go to my office and meet with clients. This is my duty. And but this is not the topic I want. I was just listening a podcast. In that podcast, there was a person was saying कि if you want to learn English fast, you just have to speak 1 hour in a day on the daily basis. If you skip any day, you will be lazy and you will not be able to continue this journey. If you develop a journey, if you are able to you know develop a journey of daily speaking of 1 hour, you will be the top 5%. You will be in the 1%. And this is all what I want. I was thinking कि yes, this is all I can do, because of I know we all have time, enough time to develop a new skill, but we don't prioritize it. You know what? Why? Because our there are some activities are there which you know it waste our time, but still we do the same because of it hits our dopamine. And I'm just thinking about to watch reels on Instagram, and I think I will complete this video. I will go on Instagram and I will find some Instagram funny videos, and I will definitely waste my time on Instagram, definitely, because of I'm just thinking कि as soon as video will be completed, and now I will go to on Instagram, then I will watch videos. And if you don't follow on me Instagram, and my Instagram handle is lawyer Rohit Mathur, you can search me on there and you can follow me. You can connect with me on Instagram as well. So let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.